In this video, let me show you how to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. So if you're trying to create a game pass of your own, in this video, let me exactly show you on how it is done. The first thing you need to do is once you're inside of the application, head over to the more option on the bottom right and scroll down until you find the section of create. Once you're inside of the create section, what you need to do is tap on the horizontal lines on the top left of the screen and then head over to creations. Once you're inside of creations, make sure you head over to one of your places that you've created. And once you're inside one of your places, again tap on the horizontal lines on the top left and make sure that you're under monetization. Inside of monetization, you'll be able to see the option which says passes. If you have created passes previously, all of those passes will be visible right here inside of the script section. But in order to create a new pass from scratch, what you simply need to do is tap on the create a pass option. Here you can upload an image if you want for the exact pass so that people can view it, and then name this pass whatever you like, and then tap on the create option. If you like, you can also create a description to exactly explain what this pass is. So once that is done, tap on the create pass option, and there you go, the pass now has been created. Now by default it would be off sale, which means you cannot sell this currently, but in order to make it on sale, what you need to do is just tap on the pass that you're trying to create a sale out of. So once you selected the pass, again tap on the three lines on the top left, and right here you'll be able to see the option which says sales. Make sure you toggle this option on which says item for sale. Now you can add in any amount of Robux that you want to charge for this particular item. And there you go, this is the price that will be visible to others, but this is not going to be the total price that you receive, because some percent of the total amount is going to be taken by Roblox. So once you enable this, you can use this pass in places like please donate and charge other people so that they can buy it. So using this exact process, you can create game passes inside of Roblox. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.